Why does price so often blow straight through an obvious high or low, trigger a wave of stop losses, and then immediately reverse? That's a liquidity sweep, also called a stop hunt. In this episode, we break down how it works, where your stops actually sit, and how to use the sweep as a setup instead of getting trapped by it. First, a key distinction. A run is when price breaks a level and continues. Real continuation. A sweep is different. Price pokes just beyond an obvious high or low, triggers the orders resting there, and then sharply rejects back. The giveaway is the long wick that pierces the level and closes back inside. A run keeps going. A sweep takes the liquidity and turns around. To hunt stops, price has to go where the stops are, and they cluster in predictable places. Below obvious swing lows, above obvious swing highs, and especially at equal highs and equal lows, where everyone piles into the same spot. Round numbers and the highs and lows of the session are magnets too. If a level is obvious to you, it's obvious to everyone, and that's exactly why it gets swept. Here's the pattern to burn into memory. Price drives toward an obvious level, accelerates just beyond it to trigger the stops resting there, and then reverses hard the other way. The traders who got stopped out provided the exact liquidity the move needed. That's why it feels like the market hunted you personally. In a sense, it did. The sweep isn't random. It's the market fueling its next move. Prop challenge, or leveling up your own trading. Signal Deck tracks every trade in R with quant level analytics. Prove your edge. Free. Link in the description. Let's see it on gold. Price grinds down into an obvious low where sell stops are stacked underneath, spikes just below to trigger them. That's the sweep, and then reverses to the upside. Notice the sequence. The sweep comes first, the reversal second. The sweep itself isn't your entry. It's the signal to get ready. Next episode, we'll cover what confirms the entry after the grab. So a liquidity sweep is the market grabbing stops at an obvious level and then reversing. The stop hunt, formalized. Stops cluster at obvious highs, lows, and equal levels, and the sweep is the setup, not the entry. Next episode, inducement, the smaller trap the market sets to bait you in before the real move. If this is clicking, subscribe and keep going.